compost manure and my soil. I want to mix it. We'll show you what I'm gonna make today. Here we go. 1, 2. We made 1, 2. This is our compost manure. We're gonna make off-grid garden. I made my garden here. So this is what we're gonna have for our vegetables. So here is my off-grid tent, and that is my garden. There we go. Day 1, I'm gonna plant onion and potatoes. So we're gonna put potato here.
Maybe you can do two potatoes in a bag. Maybe it's okay. I don't know.
peeps. Hello, happy internet. Arranger here without the arranger. So today we are going to do our transplant of the tomatoes that we made for the last 3 weeks. So this was my nursery. I did a nursery here. So our tomatoes are here. This one is still coming up, but this one is ready. So we're gonna transplant this one. This is our onion. We're gonna plant more onions. This one we have 3 there. These are the hot chili peppers. So they're still going on. These are this Irish potato. So one is sprout already, but one is yet to be sprout. So that is what we're gonna do. Thank you for the 50 subscriber. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And for more adventures, every Friday I upload the video there. So if you have subscribed and you have not watched all of my videos, just go to the channel and follow up and watch more of my videos. Thank you. Odikure. Okay, so that is how we're gonna do. We start with watering these ones first. Okay, that's very nice. Now we want to plant this one. Huh? Okay, so now alright, so I'm gonna just divide them from here to each and every space. I'm left with one bag. So I'm left with one bag. Haha, 2 bags. Oh, this one I can put it with this onion. I don't think it's a problem here. Okay, so I'll find something to put that one. I have a beautiful garden with a very healthy tomatoes. Here they are. So let's not complain about the land. Let's do it. Thank you so much. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe so that we go together and you can learn tips for the gardening through this channel. Enjoy.